fingers. Wouldn't you think, Mama Africa, we are going home. Mama Africa, bad mind, fire, fire, fire. Oh, the woman.
We break the show at different sections.
Good in love. Welcome to the RABBLE Show. I got chat to them and make them chat for it.
RABBLE, welcome to the RABBLE Show. Upon this platform we do things different. Straight rabblings. This is your host, NASH-I-I Danger. Rabblings, pause. Take a look and tell me some of the changes where you see are going of society today. You think we are live the life we're supposed to live? Are we living in the identity of others? Tell me, rabblings. The things that you were taught, you think they no longer apply today? Let me know in the comment section below. With saying that, them say each one teach one. So if nobody not teach nobody nothing, why you think I go on? Rabblings, it good for observe, cause sometime you see what the eye nah see. Right now me have a black African American empress I observe and she go tell you what she see a go on. Rabblings, listen.
You so-called Rastas in Jamaica. Rastafarian was incubated in Jamaica. Why is there so much homosexuality and fucking going on? Why is the country so fuckish? Why? Because you so-called fucking Rastas, and I'm talking about you so-called high up, Capleton, Jamaica, Sizzler, Luce, no. Let me chop patois no. Because me go yard, you know, even though me a black American, me learn for chatted blood clot. So me want to talk to no. You see what me I say? Because if Uno did not live right and live how His Majesty did say for we to live and get in order, wouldn't there be a prime example and one heap of people would have follow and follow the right way? No, because we want to take money and buy a woman. Eh? But when the white man do it, eh? Bring gun and buy for woman them. We talk about it. But when we are do it, so I don't like we upset because the white man a do it to we. We vex because we want to do it to we own people. How Rastaman forget mixed up in a rape? How Rastaman forget mixed up in a gun? How Rastaman a quote rap music and talk about fuck pussy? Why Rastaman no have wife and picnic? Huh? Selassie I said to be faithful to one woman. Allow me to tell? What Rastafari have to do with vegetarian? What Rastafari have to do with a whole bunch of women? And then you say you're Rasta, but you want to go after, you want to be like David. David didn't fucking exist. It was a story from our ancestors. Told for a meaning to teach you not to be like David. But when I read the Bible, right? When I read the words of His Majesty, let's just say David even existed. I'm going to give you that, even though I know it's not true. David was before His Majesty. If His Majesty came to seal the deal, and open all the 7 seals of this hell, and he passed the test, why are we not living like His Majesty? What did His Majesty do? First, he married his queen from his own bloodline. What do I mean? Cushite to Cushite. Black to black. That is the first thing. He had his queen crowned same time. He had one queen. He gave awards to men for being faithful to their wife. Every 25 years. You see the morals and the devotion what His Majesty has. And we're not following it. But we say, Rastafari. And because we see sharp wine, we want to drink. Most Rastas are drunk, just like the pastors. Most Rastas are fucking all type of women and buying them, just like the pastors. Most Rastas are teaching their own theology, just like the pastors. And then you wonder why there's so much homosexuality in the Caribbean. All of a sudden. We had it in America a long time. We're supposed to be fucked up. Look who we living with. You're supposed to come over here and show us something and teach us something. You come over here and join us in our shit. And look at the Caribbean. You ever think about all of these Rasta singers? When you think, Mama Africa, we are going home. Mama Africa, bad mind, fire, fire, fire. Oh, the woman. All of the money, all of the stage shows. Find out how many of them have built something in Africa. Find out how their queen feels. Check their liberty. That's why I used to spend bukus of money on original CDs, because I thought that money was going to my people. And to find out that my people were doing the same thing as what they say is somebody else doing to me, I think it's better if a stranger do it to me than my own people. It hurts less. So I place the blame of what's going on in the Caribbean on Rasta, because we have the truth. His Majesty came and suffered along with our other ancestors, and for us to sit here and behave unaccordingly and blame other people for what we are doing to ourselves. I say fire, 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 fire. Fire upon the wall, no. Me won't say burn out to no blood clot. Because we should know better. You know, black people follow black people. So if we did right, what would black people do? I see a video where Anthony B posts, America with their Brooklyn. They are happy to come to Babylon. None of them try to get them visa go Africa. And if they do, it's for a couple of days. When me go to Mama Africa, a 7 months me spend. Me wish them me not have to come back. But true, me have to come back and make money to build something there, because me not have film, me not have fire, fire, fire. Me meet holy Rasta, you know. Me meet high class, the one them will have money. And you know what them do? Them try fuck you. Yes, me I ain't fall upon no blood clot. That's why there's hardly no women in other business. Because who not spread them legs, now get in. Now you tell me what is different from us and the church. You want to know why we are having problems? Because we are fucked up. You have a Rasta the other day, so-called Rasta, go chop up his woman, leave his children without a mother. What different are we from the world? So what is Majesty come for? If we now go follow him, he says centralize and organize. We haven't even did that. Jamaicans them right now, in Caribbeans them right now in the land, Shashamala. In Ethiopia, what Haile Selassie left for us. They are fighting. We are no better than who we are talking about. So when you fling that fire, make sure you know. Say you are live right, because same fire will come back in your rotted face and burn up the whole of you. The best thing I ever do is take my king from Cushland. Because when we started our journey, he said, Queen, we now go follow no tribe, you know. We are going to follow His Majesty and read His word for ourselves. We came to the understanding of His Majesty for ourselves. So why can't we keep following Him? That's That are the best. That is a mantra. Because he kept me in line. And I no more follow nobody. That's why I don't buy Uno records. I don't listen to Uno. I even erase Uno for half of my Spotify. I per midnight Akabeka me have. Because that Monday I live it. And him now look no film. And now come live. And want to show off. And him I do the work at Kushland, you know. And none I not hear about it. Because I'm not bragging thing. The man have his queen and his princess them where him give birth to. And him I live up. I see His Majesty removing his glory from Jamaica. St. Croix, Selassie, Rastafari, just say, I will remove my glory from you and give it to another. Wake up, Jamaica. You were the powerhouse of the Kushites. They had to let you off the boat first in slavery time because you was killing them white people who was putting us in slavery. They had to let y'all crazy ass off in the Caribbean and still they couldn't hold you because most of y'all went up in the hills, the real rebels, the real fighters. But now they come and they come give you some little silver, some little trinkets, some alcohol, and some tobacco, and you done lost your motherfucking mind. Trying to fight each other. Each one is screwing when you go into the Rasta house. How the women are unhappy. Huh? It's just like the church. The Rasta brother, them are passing the woman. Rasta woman got 3-4 children from different men. What is this? Yo, anybody who don't know nothing about Rastafari? You know, no follow no Rasta. Follow thy spirit. Follow His Majesty and that light that he came with. Fire upon the Caribbean. Fire upon Rasta. Live up. I call fire from my ancestors to burn out all of you and shame you and bring your shame to light. Wanna now fool me with your so-called fame and jump up fucking songs? Huh? We need something to feed the spirit. That's why you off whack. You done forgot about His Majesty. You sing some fuck up tune and just throw Jah in there. Fire! Idiot! Stupid Rasta niggas!
Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, so remember for like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabblings.